Hi, Suchi.
Hello, Neil.
What's up, Suchi?
Nothing. I have an interesting question for you.
What is that?
Do you know about factorials?
Of course. I am a studious guy.
Then tell me the value of 0 factorial.
Such a simple question. Ask me something tough.
Oh, answer first.
The value of 0 factorial is 1.
How?
Is it as a reason?
Of course, there is a reason.
What was that? Please tell me.
Think. You are such a studious guy.
Okay, let me know, please.
Let's go to 24x7 Pathshala. Zero factorial is equal to 1. Everybody knows that. But ever wondered why 0 factorial equal to 1? Never think of that? Think now. So, what is a factorial? A factorial is the product of all the positive integers starting with n and counting backwards to 1. For example, 2 factorial is 2 multiplied by 1. Let's do an exercise first. Start writing power of 2. You will get a table like this. Now, start dividing the numbers by 2 from the bottom. 1024 divided by 2 will give you 2 to the power 9 equals to 512. 512 divided by 2 will give you 2 to the power 8. Carry on this process and what will you get? You will get 2 to the power 1 divided by 2 is 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Let's come to the actual problem. Start evaluating and observe the pattern. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Divide by 5 and you will get 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Again divide by 4. You will get 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. By the same process, divide by 3 and you will get 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1. Now divide it by 2 and you will get 1 factorial, that is 1. Now the time is for 0 factorial. Divide it by 1 and you will get 0 factorial equal to 1.
I want to listen a joke.
Oh, your joke. Okay, tell.
Scream 0 and it will turn into 1.
Good one.
Thank you, Suchi, for such a nice information.
Thanks to 24x7 Pathshala. For more such mathomedy, subscribe the channel 24x7 Pathshala. Learn anytime, anywhere. Also, like the video and share among your friends. Thank you.